If you're looking for a non-permanent extra bed solution for your camper van, you've got to check this out. I'm Landon with Luno, and today I'm going to be walking you through Van Front Cab Mattress, designed for Sprinter vans, Ram ProMasters, and Ford Transits. Now, let's begin with setting up the Van Front Cab Mattress. So the mattress actually comes in two different pieces: the base support, or the base extender. That is the cube that goes ahead and fills the center of the seats as well as the front, supporting and lifting up the mattress off the ground. And then the top portion of the mattress, which is what you sleep on. Should only take about 1.5 minutes to set up that base extender, and then another minute to inflate the top. To inflate it, go ahead and insert the pump, hold the button, and turn it on. If you want to adjust the inflation level of your mattress while you're on it, you can actually lean over, open the inflate valve, depress that inner flap, and let some air out until it's adjusted for your liking. To deflate the mattress, you can actually use the pump to make it just a little bit quicker. Because the out valve also has a one-way flapper right here, it keeps all the air that has already been squished out and makes the job a little bit easier. To use the pump, just simply take this side right here, put it against the opening of the valve, and turn it on. Same thing goes for the base extender. Pack up the mattress. You can do it in a couple different ways, but once you have all the air squeezed out, that T-shaped base extender, it's kind of best if you fold it flat, and then you can fold each side of it over top of one another, and then you can roll this up from there. Once you get that to a good size, go ahead and slide it into the carry case. With that top portion of the mattress, go ahead and lay that out. Fold it down into about thirds, fold it in half. And then this one you can go ahead and roll up as well. It's better if you do this one second because it does roll up a little bit smaller than the base extender. So that way there's plenty of room left in here to slide it in. Don't forget to put that pump in its dedicated pouch as well, so you know where it is for next time. So the mattress out of the box is gonna come inside already of its carrying case. This case is extremely durable, so you can toss it in the back of your van, throw it in the dirt. Plus inside, you are going to find an individual built-in pocket. Inside of this pocket, you will find the cordless rechargeable pump. Inside of here as well, you will also find a small repair patch. All of the Luno mattresses are backed by a 3-year manufacturer's guarantee. So if anything is wrong with your mattress within those first 3 years of use, but for those one-off accidents, there is a repair patch in here. Hope you enjoyed that walkthrough of the Van Front Cab Mattress from Luno. If you have any questions, you can comment them down below. You can find more information, guides, tips, tricks, and product info on our website at lunolife.com, and we'll see you out on the trails.